Supply chain management is the backbone of any successful business. It's not just about moving products from point A to point B. It's about creating a seamless flow that enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and ultimately drives customer satisfaction. In today's fast-paced global economy, understanding the intricacies of supply chain management is essential for anyone looking to excel in their career. This corporate training program from Edunyx LMS dives deep into the core concepts of supply chain management. You'll explore the fundamentals, from procurement and inventory management to logistics and distribution strategies. Each module is designed to build your knowledge progressively, ensuring you grasp the essential elements that make up a robust supply chain. But we don't stop there. We also cover advanced topics that are crucial for navigating the complexities of modern supply chains. You'll learn about risk management, sustainability practices, and the impact of technology on supply chain operations. These insights are invaluable for professionals aiming to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving industry. One of the key benefits of this program is its practical approach. You'll engage with real-world case studies and interactive scenarios that allow you to apply what you learn immediately. This hands-on experience not only reinforces your understanding, but also equips you with the skills to tackle real challenges in your organization. Edunyx LMS stands out as the right choice for your training needs. Our platform is user-friendly, offering flexible learning options that fit your busy schedule. You can access the materials anytime, anywhere, making it easy to learn at your own pace. Plus, our expert instructors are always available to provide support and answer your questions. As you progress through the course, you'll also have the opportunity to connect with fellow learners, sharing insights and experiences that enrich your understanding of supply chain management. This collaborative environment fosters networking and professional growth, essential for anyone serious about advancing their career. Now is the time to invest in your future. Enroll in the Edunyx LMS Supply Chain Management program today and take the first step towards mastering the skills that will set you apart in the competitive job market. Visit our website to learn more and secure your spot. Your journey to becoming a supply chain expert starts here.